వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ లోకల్ టీచర్స్. మీరు మమ్మల్ని నమ్మి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకున్నందుకు ఖచ్చితంగా మిమ్మల్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేసే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాను. టుడే we are going to discuss how to draw ray diagrams for concave mirror. So in order to draw the diagrams, ray diagrams for concave mirror, first of all we should know the three rules. Okay, so by following the three rules only we are going to draw the ray diagrams. So here the first one, rule 1. So what does this rule 1 tells? So when the incident ray which has traveling in parallel with the principal axis, after reflecting it will passes through the focus point. So see here this diagram. So this is the incident ray which is in parallel with the principal axis coming. So fall on this concave surface, after reflecting it will passes through focus point F. Okay, next come for rule 2. The incident ray which is passing through focus point, after reflecting it will travel in parallel with the principal axis. See here, so this is the incident ray which is passing through the focus point. So where after reflecting it will traveling in parallel with the principal axis. This we have to remember. Next, the last one, rule 3. So the incident ray which is passing through the center of curvature will reflect in the same path only. In which way it will incident? In the same way it will reflect. See here, so here this is the incident ray which is passes through center of curvature. In the same path only it will reflect. Okay, so here how we are going to find the image? So after reflecting, if we consider any two rays of these according to our comfortability, so after reflecting these two rays will meet at a common point. At that common point we are find the image of the object. ఏమన్నా ఈ మూడు రేస్ లో ఏమన్నా రెండు రేస్ తీసుకోవాలి. మన కంఫర్టబిలిటీ ప్రకారం మనకి ఎట్లా ఈజీ ఉంటే అట్లా తీసుకొని డ్రా చేస్తే ఆ రిఫ్లెక్టింగ్ రేస్ విల్ మీట్ ఎట్ ఏ కామన్ పాయింట్. ఆ రిఫ్లెక్టింగ్ రేస్ ఒక పాయింట్ దగ్గర మీట్ అవుతాయి. సో వేర్ వి ఫైండ్ ద ఇమేజ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఆబ్జెక్ట్ విచ్ వి ఆర్ చూజన్. మనం ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అయితే పెడతామో ఆ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఒక ఇమేజ్ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయిన టూ రేస్ ఎక్కడైతే మీట్ అవుతాయో అక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సో దీస్ త్రీ రూల్స్ వి విల్ ఫాలో. Today our topic is ray diagrams, drawing ray diagrams for a concave mirror. Before going to draw the ray diagrams, just we will check what are the possibilities of keeping object. ఓకేనా, మన రే డయాగ్రామ్స్ రాసే ముందు యాక్చువల్గా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎక్కడెక్కడ పెట్టచ్చు. ఓకేనా, సో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎన్ని ప్లేస్లలో పెట్టచ్చు. According to that we only get the image. Let us see. So the possibilities of keeping object. So here we will keep object here in between P and F. Or suppose consider this is object. So we will keep object in between P and F. Consider this is position 1. We will keep object on F. Consider this is position 2. We will keep object in between F and C. Consider this is position 3. We will keep object on C. Consider this is position 4. We will keep the object beyond C. So here consider this is position 5. and last we are having another position. So we may keep the object at infinity. So at infinity only, infinity, we will keep the object at infinity also. So here, how many positions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at 6 positions, we may keep the object. That means, so according to these positions, we are going to get 6 images. 6 images. If we analyze these 6 images, we can analyze any image in between P and F, in between on F, in between F and C, on C, and beyond C, and infinity. So here this arrow represents object. So where we are keeping this object? Object will keep between P and F. Object will keep on F. So your object will keep between F and C. F and C. Next object will keep on C. Next object will keep on beyond C. Next object will keep at infinity. So these are the maximum possibilities of keeping an object.